I'm sitting here enjoying this gorgeous saltwater pool at 25 Queensborough Crescent here in Richview. Oh my God, look at this stunning backyard. Okay, this house is going to blow your mind. When they renovated and built it, the attention to detail was unbelievable. There's so many high-end finishes. The design, the layout, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, walk-in closets for everyone, gorgeous family room in the basement with above-grade windows, this stunning pool. Oh, the kitchen, the stove, the gas stove. The kitchen is like a gourmet kitchen that a chef would die to cook in. Formal living room, formal dining room, and we're in this beautiful Richview, this tranquil area that's so quiet and peaceful. I feel like I'm in the country, but all the major urban necessities are so close by.